Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, you're so welcome to my channel, to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious palm oil sauce. Thank you all my returning subscriber, and thank you for those that are seeing this channel for the first time. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload any video, and do not forget to share as well. So guys, like I told you guys earlier, I'm making palm oil sauce or palm oil stew. I already added my palm oil, added my onions, and I'm adding some tomatoes. Yes, you need a large amount of tomatoes, although the tomato that you will be needing is based on the quantity of the sauce or the stew you are making. So after that, I'll stir everything. Once they are well combined and mixed, I'll go ahead and cover this up and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, the tomatoes and the onions has become tender. Yes, that's what we need at this point for the onions and tomatoes to be tender. The next is to season it. So I'm using this on the screen. You will see the list of the seasoning that I'm using. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. It doesn't have to be exactly the same seasoning that I'm using. So use whatever seasoning that works best for you. So once everything is properly stirred up together, I'll go ahead and add my mackerel. I'm using mackerel. Yes, smoked mackerel. If you haven't seen my video of smoked mackerel, feel free to check that out as well. So once they are well combined, I'll go ahead add some crayfish. Yes, we need crayfish. This is a local seasoning, a local sauce, so we need crayfish for this stew. So once everything is well combined, I'll go ahead and taste for salt or anything that I need. So at this point, I'm adding 1 stock cube, and I will be adding some salt to taste. Yes, so if you taste yours and you feel like you need a little bit of seasoning, salt, pepper, go ahead and do so. And after that, we need to cover this for another 1 minute. So after simmering for 1 minute, we'll be adding some leaf. So I'm using scent leaf, known as aka Nchang. Yes, this is a local leaf known as Nchang, and its English name is scent leaf. But if you don't have this available, you can use curry leaf, or you can add a little bit of spinach. But if you have those local leaf like the one I just mentioned, it will be a bonus for you guys. And if you also have the fresh Nchang, that would be amazing. But I live outside Nigeria, and this one is what I have handy, and I'm making good use of it, and it tastes so well as well. So guys, we are done with this recipe. It's time to garnish it. Yeah, it's time to garnish this. So this recipe is so versatile. You can use with a lot of stuff. So right now, I'm gonna be using this with rice, and also this recipe goes so well with yam. Yes, you can use, like I said, you can use this with whatever that suits you right. So you can go with plantain, you can go with potatoes, you can go with white beans, just to mention few. There's a lot of stuff you can eat with this sauce that I just made. So on the comment section, please go ahead and tell me what is your favorite dish that you think you can go with this sauce. Yes, the sauce is so great that it goes pretty well with a lot of stuff. You can even use this to eat with your bread. Yep, as that's how good it is. You can eat this with your bread. Alright guys, that's it for this recipe for today. I hope you enjoy spending your precious time with me in my kitchen. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider clicking on that subscription button. Turn the bell on as well so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload any delicious recipe on this channel. And be sure to check out my other videos as well. You might love them. So guys, for now, I'll go ahead and relax and enjoy my delicious delicacy. Yes. Alright guys, if this is your first time on this channel, you're very welcome. Yes, I want to give you a special welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for your support. I will see you all on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.